Joe, let's talk about the summer schedules that the traditional big three in the airline business, we're talking about American, Delta, and United, are offering in terms of transatlantic flights. Now, we asked OAG, the airline consulting firm, to crunch the numbers for us. Boy, the seats that are being added this summer, it is clear that the airlines expect big business for those who are flying over to Europe. Take a look at the increase in seats. Now, this is going from right now until the end of August. Look at the increase at United, Delta, American, all more than doubling, and in some cases, look at United, up 223%. They're coming off of a low base in terms of transatlantic travel. We asked Jeffries where we're at right now. They have it at 36% decline relative to 2019 levels. That said, there is a big push among consumers to get over to Europe now that we're seeing the Omicron virus drop off in terms of how widespread it is. And as a result, the airlines are all expecting very strong demand for the summer travel season over to Europe. In fact, they have added so much capacity back that generally speaking, they're close to 2019 levels, or they expect to be close to 2019 levels by the end of the summer in terms of seats going over to Europe. That, if you look at the big three there, the American, Delta, United in terms of transatlantic travel. Also, remember, you've got JetBlue, which started up service from New York City into London, now adding Boston into London. It's boosting its seats by 10% this summer. And what about domestic travel? Well, we are going to see it increase. It's already gone up considerably. When you take a look at those airlines that are primarily domestic-oriented, they will see the number of seats, and not just these airlines, but the industry overall, up 34% from where we are right now. Bottom line, the airlines realize there is pent-up demand, especially on those international routes. They are adding the seats. Get ready, guys, because we're going to see the big surge this summer.
No doubt. And just look at Marriott. We were talking about that earlier. You're not going to walk to the Marriott over in Europe, Phil.